Dear students, we have discussed an exercise based on noun gender, and now we are going to discuss an exercise based on noun number. How do we change number of nouns in a given sentence? We are not taking the direct exercise to change plural from singular. For example, book, books, wolf, wolves. We are not taking a direct exercise because it's very easy to solve. Now we are going to change singular and plural nouns in the sentences. For example, there is a first sentence, change the number and rewrite. Here we have to change the number of nouns and rewrite the sentences correctly. For example, the first sentence is a wolf is a wild animal. Here this is a noun because it is preceded by an article a. That's why it is a noun. Is a wild animal. Animal is also a common noun. It is preceded by an adjective wild and then preceded by an article a. This a here is used for animal, not for wild, because this determines the number of animals. This is a singular number. A wolf is a wild animal. Change the number and rewrite the sentence. We can change it like we have to remove this a to make it plural because it will not remain a before a plural noun. In the same way, we can write it wolves. I have told you all the words ending in F or V, F or FE, we remove the F or FE and add VES to the singular number to make it plural. Wolves, now this verb will also change according to the subject. Now subject is plural, so we shall use plural verb for this. Wolves are, we have to remove this again because now wolves have become plural. Wolves are wild animals. We will change the number of animal in plural. Wolves are wild animals, and we have to change this verb for changing in the subject. The next sentence is a deer looks innocent. A deer looks innocent. As we have discussed already, both the forms singular and plural of deer remains the same. We cannot add s to it to make it plural. So we have to remove this article before a plural noun and it will become deer. And now as this has become a plural noun, we have to remove this s also because it will become V1 here with the plural subject. Deer look innocent. Now it becomes plural, means all the deer. Deer look innocent. And the next sentence is, this knife is very sharp. Now again this is a noun and it is singular noun ending in FE. To make it plural, we have to remove this FE and add VES to KNI to make it plural. For example, and now this is used for this singular knife and this will change into these. Make the plural of this as well. These knives, add VES, these knives. Now we have to change this verb also. These knives are very sharp. Very sharp. And the next is, give a loaf to the beggar. Now this is a noun because it is preceded by an article the. This is a noun because it also is preceded by an article a. For example, give a loaf to the beggar. We have to change it into plural and we have to change the beggar in also plural. For example, we have to remove a, give loaves, Loves. Sorry, Loaves. Add, remove this F and add VES to LOA to make it plural. Give laws to the beggars. Give laws to the beggars. And the last sentence in this exercise is the boy enjoyed himself. Here, boy is a common noun because it is preceded by the article the, and himself is also a reflexive pronoun and it is used for the boy himself. So, we have to change the boy into plural. The boys enjoyed. Now we have to change himself into plural themselves. Them, and LFSELVES, themselves. And the sentence becomes, after changing the nouns, numbers, it becomes the boys enjoyed themselves. This is all about noun genders and noun numbers, and there is an exercise for you. Now you have to practice it a lot to have a good command over nouns and its uses.